Hello children. Today I am here with English Reader, Chapter 6. Why Wisdom is Everywhere. So now let's know about this story. So this is the story of Anansi. Anansi is an African folktale character which often take the shape of spider. So this is the story about Anansi the spider. The story of folktale from Asante people of Ghana. So now we will read and know about this story. So start. Once upon a time, the sky god Naomi gave Anansi the spider an unusual gift. It was a pot of which had in it at all the wisdom of the world. Naomi also instructed Anansi to share the gift of wisdom with everyone in the world. So first you underline this word. What is the meaning of unusual? Surprising. Instructed also underline. Okay. So the sky god Naomi gave a gift to Anansi. Surprising gift. And what was that? It was a pot in which all the wisdom in the world. And he instructed also. What he instructed? He told that remember the only things to do with good wisdom. Pass it on with everyone in the world. So he told that you have to share the gift of wisdom with everyone in the world. So now what happened then? The pot was filled with amazing skill and ideas. So the pot was filled with wisdom, amazing skills and ideas. Anansi looked into the pot and learned something new every day. So after getting the pot, he learned every day new things. Every day he tried to create something new each time. So now he was extremely selfish and greedy by nature and hated sharing anything with everyone. So first you underline this word extremely. So what is the meaning of extremely? Very. So now he was very selfish and greedy by nature and did not want to share the wisdom with anyone. So what he thought? He thought, I want to keep all the wisdom in the pot just for me. So he thought that he will keep all the wisdom for himself only. So what he decided? I will hide it somewhere and not share it with anyone. So I will hide in a place where no one can see. Okay? Now understood till here? Anansi spider. So he got the pot of wisdom. So now in the pot there are amazing skills, ideas, knowledge. So what he decided? He decided to hide the pot. Okay? So now next. One day Anansi was looking for a place where he could hide this pot of wisdom. Finally, he decided to hide it at the topmost branch of very tall tree. He made a strong rope using the vine from the tree. He then used the rope to tie the pot with his body. So he thought to hide it somewhere deep in the wood where no one will ever find it. So Anansi took the pot and went for into the deep woods. He searched high and low for the right place to hide the pot. So finally he decided it to a very tall tree. And then what he did? He used the rope to tie the pot with his body. Anansi placed the pot in front of his stomach and tied it firmly using the rope. So when he found the perfect place to hide the pot of wisdom, so with the help of rope, he tied the pot with his body and put the pot in front of his stomach. Then what happened? He started climbing the tree very slowly, but was facing a lot of difficulty. Why he was facing difficulty? Because he put his pot in front of his stomach. So while he was climbing, he faced a lot of difficulty. The pot was hanging against his stomach and kept bumping. So you know what is the meaning of bumping? Underline this word bumping, and the meaning is hitting. So he was putting the pot in front of his stomach and kept bumping against the tree, hurting him in the process. So while climbing the tree with lots of difficulty, his stomach kept hitting and hurting in the process. So then what happened? The young son of Anansi was watching him from the bottom of the tree. So when he was climbing the tree, his young son was watching him. Then what he told? After a while, his son suggested, "Father, why don't you tie the pot at your back?" So what his son suggested? That, "Father, instead of tying the pot in front of your stomach, you tie this pot to your back. That way it will not bump against the tree and it will be easier and more comfortable for you to climb up the tree by holding it with your hands." So if you will hang it, if you will tie it to your back, it will not hurt you and you will climb the tree very easier and comfortable. So easily you can climb the tree by holding it with your hand. So now what Anansi did? Anansi followed his son's suggestions. So he followed his son's suggestion. So first you underline this word suggestion. And what is the meaning of suggestion? An idea open to discussions. So now Anansi followed his son's suggestion, idea, and find out that it was indeed easier. It was very easier to climb the tree this way. So without facing any difficulty, he easily climbed the tree. Within no time, he reached the top of the tree. But Anansi was extremely angry. Now he was angry. Why he was angry? Because his son gave suggestion to him and that was easier for him to climb the tree. So then he felt very angry. What is the use of owning the pot of wisdom when even a young boy has more common sense than I do? So first underline this word owning. So what is the meaning of owning? Belonging to itself. So what he thought? That the pot is The wisdom of pot is with me, but the young boy has more common sense. Now, Anansi thought and dropped the pot of wisdom from the top of the tree. So then what he did? He thought and dropped. He threw the pot down.